Nung pandemic, mas na-realize natin na yung mga branded stuff natin, ang dami mong branded stuff, hindi mo naman magamit. Diba? I'm not against na bumili ka ng mga branded stuff, pero nung pandemic, paano mo gagamitin? Pag Zoom, suit mo gamit mo yung bag mo, tapos pinapakita mo ganun, ay sorry, na-late ako, di ba? Bakita mo yung logo. So in other words, tama yung sinasabi ni Jesus eh. Do not store up for yourself treasures on earth, where moth and rust destroy, where thieves break in and steal. If you store up for yourselves treasures in heaven, where neither moth or rust destroys, and where thieves do not break in and steal, so where your treasure is, there your heart will be also. Kaya nga one of the tests para makitang committed tayo kay God is sa ating wallet. One of the best tests. Kaya nga isa sa pinaka-problema ng mga tao during their time, and until now, is the love of money. The love of money is the root of all evil. Isang test yan na committed ka kay God. Minsan mas madali mag-serve kaysa magbigay. Minsan mas madali na attend na lang ako ng D-group kaysa tumulong. If importante sa iyo yung family mo, you will spend money for your family. If importante sa iyo yung career mo, you will spend money to achieve a strong career. If importante yung mga earthly things that you want to accomplish, you will use money to buy as many as you can. Pero if importante sa iyo ang heavenly things, ang gawain ni Lord, you're also gonna spend money for that.